Oh, isn't that nice? Hey, I've got some upcoming projects at Motha's house. Handicap type projects to do for Motha while I'm here. And I've got a grab bar here I'm going to be installing. I'm going to be installing that by the front door, and I'll talk about that when I install that grab bar. And then look at this. That looks pretty nice. She's having a hard time getting up and down off the toilet, and I also have a grab bar against the wall, but you know, after a while it's actually easier to get on and off the toilet with these types of handles rather than the grab bar, because you can just push up on it and then you can kind of hold it and get down on it. And generally it's best to have a handicap height toilet to do that. And this is just this here, okay? And you can use your existing toilet seat. And I put one of these up for my aunt years ago, and I think I have that on my channel even, on my videos. And it actually came, I think it came with the toilet seat. Well, I had to take the old toilet seat off. I'm thinking, don't quote me on that, but anyways, the handles, I'm going to put that on her toilet. I think that's going to make it easier. And what is this all about? This is a mailbox, and did you know, and see, it's got a locking key area for it. And did you know, in some cities, if you take a note and you send it to the post office, and you get a note from the doctor saying, oh, you're getting too old and senile to where you can't go down and get your own mail, you know, at the mail drop, let's say down at the end of the street or wherever, they'll let you put one of these by your front door. And so we were going to put it by the front door, and the mailman instead is going to come up to the front door, put it through a slot here, and then she's going to go out the front door, just right by her front door, and open that and get the mail out. And so I'm going to show you how to install that on another video. This is just a quick and dirty video showing you the different types of things you can do for your mother, or for your father, or for anyone for that matter. What are these things? This isn't really handicapped. This is for your exterior. It's getting close to winter, and this is for your exterior hose bibs. You attach your hose bib onto that, and then this kaploink, it fits right up against the wall, and then you pull that tight, and that kind of insulates your hose bibs, especially if you're in an area that gets really super cold in the winter, and it will keep it from freezing. And she had some old ones. See, here she's got some here. And she just said they were getting old and dirty and tired and stuff. These would still work, but hey, they only cost $3 or $4 at the store. So I said, okay, fine. Let's go to the store and get those. So we went and got those. And then we got some filters. So I'll be replacing some filters for her too, and stuff like that, okay? And I got some caulking. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this. Last time I was here, I forgot, man. Dabbity nabbit. Last time I was here, I used this for something. White Loctite tub and tile. 2-in-1 seal and bond. Okay. I forget why I used that. And I think I'm going to use that. I forgot I had it, but see, if I didn't have it, I would have used this. Quick Seal Ultra, and this is kitchen, bath, and plumbing. She's got a toilet in there that kind of rocks back and forth a little bit when you get on it. You know what I mean. And so I'm going to clean off all the old caulking, and I'm going to re-caulk that and maybe put a little shim underneath her toilet, at the bottom of the base before I put the new caulking there. Okay, so if you want to watch those things, I'll have them on my channel coming up. Okay, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And you know, if you've never installed a grab bar before, you'll know how to do that. You'll know what to do on the toilet. You'll know about the mailbox. Maybe you never even knew about the mailbox, and it's a good thing that you're watching this video, because now you know. Okay, see you next time. Spaghetti-O. Here's my favorite place in the house, the bathroom. What is our project today? Well, no, it's not how to install a grab bar. But hey, that's a good thing too. I forgot I put that in there for my mother to get in and out of her bathtub. I'm over at Motha's and she has a grab bar over there, but she doesn't have a grab bar next to her toilet. She's been having a hard time getting up and down off of the toilet, so she's been going into the other room because she doesn't really have a very good place to put her hand. She puts her hand up here and then in the front of the toilet to try to get up. I said, don't do that anymore. We'll have to figure out something else. She's been using this toilet. She's been using this toilet, and she uses that grab bar. My pops, years ago, he wanted grab bars installed, and he liked it going up at an angle, and it was helping him to pull up with his arm and pull back towards him instead of pushing up off of the grab bar. But in any case, that's how I kind of set up that room. And what did he do? What did my pops have me do? You see this grab bar here? It's kind of at an angle again. It was way up over here for some reason. I didn't really install that initially. Some other guy came and installed these, and he was having a heck of a time, and he messed this one up, and I ended up fixing it and stuff. I wouldn't really have the grab bar out that far from a toilet, but hey, it worked for him. But this bathroom in the other bedroom where she's been staying doesn't really have a proper grab bar. So what would you do to something like this? See, there's no way to put a grab bar over there. There's no real way to stick a grab bar. I mean, you could put something real small right there, but I wouldn't really recommend that. And so, kaboom, this is what I'm going to install for her. See there? And I was having a heck of a time trying to find that at the store because it was set up on the shelf, and that's all that I could see, way up high on a shelf. And but in any case, I'm glad they had it. And see, it's designed to reuse your existing toilet seat. It looks like I'm gonna have to read the directions on it and stuff. And I believe I'm gonna have to take the toilet seat out and then put this down first, then put the toilet seat on top of that, and then screw the whole thing back down. And that's the only thing that's gonna hold it, are those two little tabs that fit underneath the tabs of the toilet seat. That's pretty slick. This was like $45, toilet safety rails. That's what that's called. And I think that's going to make it easier for her. There's added weight, strength on the front, and it's designed to fit up to 250 pounds pressure, ADA compliance, okay? And it fits like that. And I think that's going to give her much more capabilities of using this toilet. Okay, and you know, I'm going to show a couple video clips along the way, and I'll show you the end product too. The first thing I got to do is pull this toilet seat off, and it's pretty easy. Lots of them, the plastic lids just pop up, see? And then I just undo that screw, and there's a nut on the back side, and that's all you got to do to take your toilet seat up. Okay, so that's my first step for this project. If you want to watch that, stick around. I thought I'd show you this first part. Hey, not all toilet seats are created equal, but I'm just going to show you how quick you can undo this. Okay, it just has a little plastic nut on the other side. So all I'm doing is unscrewing this thing, and now I can unscrew the bottom and unscrew the top at the same time. And see, that's all that was on the bottom, like that. And like I say, not all toilet seats come off the same way, but hey, this was coming off nice. Okay, and I think you get it down far enough, then you can just unscrew the plastic nut underneath. I'm doing both of them at the same time again. There we go. Good. That's all you have to do to take your toilet seat off. Okay? Kaboom.